Hey everyone, in this video I will show you the assignment of the Level Superman hackathon, and just we completed this project and we deployed on our website. So in this video I will show you the overall workflow of our project. So first we have to understand the what about the hackathon and what is the pre-assignment of us given to us. So firstly we have to make a social media performance analysis, and the objective is to using Langflow and DataStack to analyze the engagement of the data. And tools we have to use in this AstraDB and Langflow workflow, creation of a ChatGPT integration. And the task is to be analyze the post performance, accepting the types of carousel and reels and statistics. And we have to give the output of which has the higher engagement and which has to be improvements are going to. So this is an assignment and we have to make this assignment possible. So this is a workflow of Langflow, and in this we use the AstraDB as a or DB database, and this database is here we use the social media analyzer database. In that we create as a collection of testing. In this testing I load this data, and the data is to be a simply like shares and comments views, this type of data. And I also share in the description, you can check it out and download this data, CSV and PDF, both are working. And after that, if you want to load the data, simply click on the load data and it will load automatically. This is a DB, and the tool name you can give anything. I'm fetching the doc, and in the tool description you can write anything. And the collection is to be connected with the database which is created as a social media database, and in that we have the testing collection. So use that, and you can have the HTTP token. You can find it from here. You can simply overview and you can see the application token, generate token. You can generate this token and copy and paste this token, hit here. After that I take a three components, one is prompt and one is calculator and one is chat input. In this prompt we have added the in prompt of the our agent. We have to give the agent some instructions to perform our AI model. So this is our instructions I given, and this is also you can find it out on the link in the description. And we have a chat input. Whatever we have to write, it will give to the agent, and agent will perform a operation from our database and give the output from that. And with the calculator which is calculating the data of the or like shares and something. And you can see the playground button, and simply click on the playground button and it will open a chat for you, and you can type anything is here. See, I already typed something, and initially it's give me error, and after that it will run fine. Simply go and type anything. For example, I type the chat reels. It give me about the reels data, what is the metrics to be improved and what are the flows and cons and all about. It's running right now, and you can see the flow is running right now, and it will give you the output of the. See, the reels drive 10,000 comments and average 5,000 views. Total engagement has 8, and it will give me the output like this. And you can ask anything for suggestion and improvement and which part I want to implement. For example, I ask, give me a suggestion to improve my likes. Give me a suggestion to improve my likes. So according to the data, it will give the improvement of how we can improve our data. So according to the data, it will give me the output of which part I want to focus, and it will give to improve the likes. And consider the suggestion under trending audio. We can use likes by the 1,000, which is to be which reel have some 1,000 reels. Use that trending audio and increase the engagement. And you can see the notes suggestion based on the likes and the trending audios, and this all suggestion based on the data. And if you want this use in website, we can use this API, and we can use this API and here you can see the application token which is generated by this, and you can paste it here and use that API. So simply we made an application and also website. This is a website of our Langflow, and this is assignment, and here is the AI assistant. You can ask same questions from here also. It will analyze and give the output of that. So here is the output of the. So you can use and check it out this website on the link in the description. So we also made an application for social media analyzer, and this is the application we made in the Flutter, and you can see the instruction how to install this application, which will give the error from starting, and you can install anywhere. By clicking the install in anywhere, it will install in your Android app, and you can use that app and check the chats. So this is our project of the social media analyzer, and you can also make this application very easy.